भाई और मत लिखो ठीक है, और मत लिखो ठीक है। मार्क्स के लिए सभी लोग obviously everybody needs marks. Okay, let's start our class. Just wait karo, I have to connect my hard disk is connected. So then it is today is 22nd. हर रोज क्लास और क्लास okay 20 okay. My screen is visible. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, let's start this class. वो कनेक्ट कर चलो let's start this class. हाँ, so today date is date. Please mute yourself, echo is going on. Okay. Okay, in the last class yesterday we have started to learn the diode. Okay, let's try to in that class we have found the diode current ID can be expressed in this way: e to the power of Vd. Vd is the voltage across the diode divided by eta Vt minus 1, where Is or I naught, sometime we can say it is a reverse saturation current. So we learned this one. Now let's suppose we are giving one kind of voltage VAA.
Excuse me,
Then
sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, slides are not visible.
My slides are
I
visible.
don't know if it is for me or for all.
Visible, sir.
Maybe his
Visible.
network problem,
Visible,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So please
Sir,
you
it may be his network issue.
network issue. So I'm requesting you leave
Yes, sir. I will
and
leave and
again.
rejoin.
Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So there is one resistor. Suppose I am placing one diode 1 over here, then I am connecting. Okay. Now suppose these resistances are and some current is flowing this ID. So through the diode the current is ID, so obviously it will be ID. Now the voltage across the diode is suppose Vd, then obviously this has to be plus terminal and this has to be minus terminal. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now current
Yes,
is
sir.
flowing in this direction. So the voltage and minus, so it is VR. Agree? Plus and minus. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if I apply KVL, okay, so then I can write minus VAA plus, as we have plus VR, then again plus VD, that should be 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I can write minus VAA. VR can be written ID into R, and VD can be written only, let's fix it, VD is VD. Then I can, if I want to find ID, I can write 1 by R. ID निकालना है ना, तो उसको उधर लेके जाना है. So VAA minus 1 by R VD. Okay, is it? Can I write this? Can I write this thing in this way?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the thing is that now let's the current, and this is the voltage. This is my VD, voltage across the diode, and this is my current ID. Okay. Now if we see, if Vd equal to 0, then what is the value of Id? Id equal to VAA by R. Agree? So suppose this is my point. Suppose this is the point corresponding. So this is VAA by R. Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now assume if if Id equal to 0, then what will happen? Id equal to 0, then Vd equal to bolo VAA. Okay. So when Id 0 means this axis, suppose this is the point and it is my VAA. So I have to join these two point. It is difficult to draw a straight line. Okay, almost. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? This line is called load line. This line is called load line. Why it is called load line? The thing is that the governing current, the equation is depending on the variable resistance R, because ID is proportional to 1 by R factor. You check. Okay, so that's why it is a variation with respect to load resistance. That's why it is called a load line. Now we also know we have the voltage. If we change the voltage across the diode, let me use different color. If we change the voltage across the diode, that means this voltage, then the current will flow in the form of Is e to the power of something minus 1. That means this expression in this form. So I can also plot that equation. So if I plot that equation, so suppose this is my this kind of equation. Okay, approximately. No, it is little bit wrong is there. So now this is the corresponding curve. Okay, and it is a cross section between this line. So this point is called as quotient point. QUIESCENT, quotient point or Q point. It is extremely important. Okay, in the quotient point, if I extend this curve along the voltage axis, it will be called VDQ. And if I extend this curve along the current, then this point will be called IDQ. Okay, it is extremely important. The thing is that if we want to get a stable solution, that means there will be no change in the output current. If we want to get a stable operation in a circuit which is using a diode, then the circuit will operate without any distortion if the voltage across the diode is fixed to VDQ voltage, and then corresponding current will be in IDQ. Okay, so in this case, if we give, that means I will get no distortion. I will not get any distortion. I will get stable operation. Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so because of that, as we are getting stable operation, that means stable operation at the point of VD, okay, VDQ. So that's why this point is called quotient point. Okay, Q point, operating point. Okay, so now if we change, suppose let's suppose this is my car. Some echo is going on. Someone please mute. Okay, so it is my ID, it is my VD. Okay, so I'm using now. Suppose now here you observe the current equation. ID is ID equal to 1 by R into VA, so inversely proportional. Okay, so if So now you observe ID equal to, that means Y equal to mx plus c kind of equation. In 10 plus 2 level, I believe you have learned this thing, y equal to mx plus c kind of equation. So if r is increasing, so value of slope is decreasing. Okay, so because of that, if I draw lots of curve, drawing electronically is very difficult. Okay, so this will be my corresponding different load line curve. Okay, so where R1 is less than R2, less than R3, less than R4, and so on. Okay, so here it will be operating point Q1, here it will be Q2, then Q3, then Q4, and so on. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the effect. Now you observe again this function. Okay, the thing is that ID equal to 1 by R into VAA minus 1 by R VD. Okay, so here if we consider y equal to mx plus c kind of equation, so c equal to minus 1 by a into VD and m equal to 1 by R. Based on this one, we have derived that equation. Now using similar phenomena, if we change this voltage VAA for different value of VAA, okay, then I will get always parallel curve, because 1 by R is fixed, because the amplitude of resistance is fixed, so that's why. Okay, so in this case, let me draw it over here. It is VD. Suppose it is my VAA3, VAA2, and it is my VAA1. So in this case, so we can change the parallel kind of curve. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, those are not very important. If you plot those one, you will get those kind of curve very easily. Now the thing is that,
sir, in the previous slide, what is the relation between Q1, Q2, and Q3? Which
no
is
relation,
greater?
no, we cannot say which quotient point is better. For the better understanding, okay, you see in this case, this load line, the Q point should be placed in the middle position of this load line. Okay, if you get the Q point in the middle position of this load line, suppose this distance and this distance becomes almost equal. Okay, so then the quotient point will be very stable and there will be no distortion in the output. Otherwise, what will happen, if I provide any input data with respect to this one, there will be distortion. Suppose amplitude, if the amplitude is increasing, so some part can be clipped. Okay, so we will learn how to clip those portions. So that's why the position of the Q, that means Q point, should be in the almost middle position of the load line. Then it will be in stable region. It is a thumb rule. Okay, so let's proceed.
Sir.
Okay, let's proceed. Suppose now this is my plus and minus terminal, and I am giving some amount of voltage. Then I am placing one diode over here. Okay, so this is my A terminal and this is my B terminal. Then I am placing one resistor, so this is my C terminal, and then I have connected this thing through this one. Okay, is there any doubt? Okay,
No,
now
sir.
when V greater than 0, so diode is on, so it will act as a short circuit. So So I can draw the circuit in this way. So it is A, it is B, it is C. So plus minus B. Okay, it will act as a short circuit. So in this case, if I place 1K resistance, then current I will be V by 1. Okay, that means I will be almost V. Okay, that means here it will become milliampere. Okay, so whatever the value of I will get same value of Y. So in this case, if I use the voltage and current relation, then I can easily say it is nothing but Y equal to X equation. Agree? So it will be a
Yes, sir.
simple straight line. It will be a simple straight line. Is it clear? Is it clear? R equal to 1.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so in this case. Now, when V less than 0, then what will happen? Diode is off. So open circuit OS, open circuit OS. Okay, so in this case, the equivalent circuit will be okay. So that's why there will be what should I say? It is 1K. So it is A point, it is B point, it is C point. Okay, so V equal to V less than 0. So then the circuit terminology will be in this way, just opposite. So you have to change the terminology. Plus will becomes minus and minus will become plus. So it will be in the off conditions. In this case, what is the amplitude of current? I equal to what? I equal to
Zero.
Zero.
why 0?
Zero, sir.
Because it is a open circuit.
Sir, it
Because it is a open
open
circuit.
circuit.
Yeah, so there will be no current here. So I will be 0. In this case,
0.
I 0. So R means V by I. Okay, R equal to V by I. So so we can write I equal to V by R. So in this relation, the R should be infinite. Okay, R should be infinite. So as I have plotted using R, so in this case, so in the negative voltage, R equal to infinite ohm. Okay, so that is the beauty. That is the beauty of expressing any circuit with a simple diode. Okay, so we can easily express the output voltage as a function of resistance by investigating the circuit in a simple manner. Is it clear? Is it clear? So in this case, this curve
Yes,
is coming
sir.
for V greater than 0 and this curve is coming for V less than 0, which is also clear from the axis because it is 0, it is minus infinity, it is plus infinity in this case. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now let's proceed. Suppose we are extending this drawing using this concept. It is my V, it is my I. Suppose R equal to 1K. So using the same concept, whatever I have drawn, using the same concept for this line, can I draw this kind of circuit? Can I draw this kind of circuit for this line? I have just drawn, we have solved this problem in the previous slide, first one. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Because that will be my A point, that will be my B point, and that will be my C point. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? किसी को कोई doubt है? हाँ, रुको जरा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay, now कहाँ गया? In this case, suppose in the back side, I have drawn another circuit R equal to 2K. Okay, in the back side I have drawn another circuit. So how to draw that circuit? So this is our objective. Okay. Okay, now in this case, obviously there will be some current, but current will be negative direction. Okay, so as it is minus, as it is plus. Okay, so now it is voltage. So I have to place one diode in the reverse direction, otherwise there will be no current. So in this case there will be one kind of current, so it should be 2K. So now here it will be my using same condition, similar condition. It is my A, it is my B, it is my C point. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can I draw this circuit in this way?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt for any
Sir, can you
student?
repeat once again?
हाँ हाँ कौन सा
Can you
वाला?
repeat once
कौन
again?
सा वाला? Red or
Sir,
black वाला?
that negative line. Negative
Negative
line.
line.
Red one.
Now you observe. In this case, I is 0 or not. What is the value of I? Just assume 0 or not equal to 0. Just tell me for this region. We are talking about, suppose it is region 1 and it is my region 2. Okay, let's talk about region 2. Okay, I का वैल्यू क्या है? I equal to 0 और I not equal to 0. कौन सा इक्वेशन करेक्ट है बोलो? In this region, बोलो.
So I equals to 0.
Why?
No,
It has
sir,
certain
not equal to
amplitude,
zero.
na? It has certain
Not
amplitude.
equal to zero. In
Yes.
this graph. In this graph. Okay, sir.
Not equal to zero.
Yes,
So
sir.
I
Yes,
is
sir.
not equal to 0. Okay, so I is not equal to 0. So that means I should have some value. Correct? It may be positive, may be negative. We don't bother. But I has some value. Now here voltage is voltage equal to minus negative voltage. So if I use some kind of voltage source and I am using some minus, some positive, because suppose I am giving this one. Okay, in other case, let's assume. Okay, minus, so in this way. So now how to connect the diode? So here the circuit should be full condition because I should get the current I. Otherwise, if there is any open circuit, there will be no current. To make the current, I have to place one diode in this direction. Otherwise, because there is a positive voltage, then negative voltage, then the circuit will be complete. Then one resistance, because here the resistance value is 2, so that will be 2K. So in this case, it will be my A point, it will be my B point, it will be my C point. Then I will get one kind of current over here. Here the current is in this direction. Okay. Here the current is opposite direction. So as it is opposite, that's why it is its amplitude is negative. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now add both circuits. So if I add both circuits, okay. So let's try to use the upper that means lower portion first, region 2, because I am using black color, that's why. Then if I add the first one, then it will be in opposite. So it will be my 2K, it will be my 1K, and it will be my voltage, because we do not know now what is the amplitude of voltage. When it is positive voltage, when V is positive, then this current will flow. When V is negative, then this current will flow. Is it clear? Is it clear? So when
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V less than 0, and for this one V greater than 0. So in this way we can easily connect. Is it tough? Is it tough? Tough है क्या थोड़ा? बोलो. Hello.
नहीं
नहीं सर ज्यादा नहीं है
Okay. हाँ थोड़ा
नहीं,
थोड़ा.
sir.
Sir, repeat again.
Again repeat. कौन सा वाला करना है? Repeat बोलो. कौन सा वाला?
सर वो
बोलो.
गलत है, वो जो आपने बीच में किया है नेगेटिव
हाँ, ये
फॉरवर्ड
वाला ना.
बायस में
You are talking about this one ना?
2K सर, जो 2K वाला है, 2K वाला.
हाँ 2K वाला वही बोल रहा हूँ. Suppose it is region 2. Okay. So let's focus on region 2 region. Here, what is the amplitude of current? Positive.
Sir, we have assumed, sir, it's an assumption.
that
What
current
assumption?
is negative or amplitude is negative.
It is, we are giving some kind of curve. Based
Hello.
on that curve, we are trying to decide the circuit. Here we have certain kind of arrangement. Based on that, we have tried to design the curve. Now we have extend this knowledge. Based on the diagram, we are trying to generate the circuit. Okay, that is the problem. We cannot say what kind of problem it can come, but if it is coming, how to solve and what is the correct procedure, you have to apply. But at least you should have the concept how a particular circuit can work, because we do not know the amplitude of voltage. That someone was talking about region 2. I is 0 or tell me I not equal to 0. कौन सा वाला केस है? In region 2 I का वैल्यू क्या है?
Not equal to 0, sir.
So not equal to 0, so I have to assume this one, so I cannot take this one value. So as I not equal to 0, I can be positive value or I can be negative value. Now you observe. So I is taking negative value. Okay, so as I is taking negative value, and here voltage is also negative. So as voltage is negative, I am telling this kind of voltage. Now this is my terminal. So current will proceed in this way, because here it is positive potential. Now this current is in opposite direction with respect to, so that's now here if I want to make a complete path, obviously I have to place one diode in this direction. And then if I do not place any resistor over here, it will be open circuit. So that's why I'm placing one resistor. Then you observe what is the value
Sir,
of resistance. It is 2K. That's
I
why.
was asking that the diode should be in opposite.
Obviously, depending on circuit, we have to place the diode now. Depending on the voltage, we have to place the diode. Otherwise, the circuit will not be open, na? Open or short. Are you getting
Sir,
my
I
point?
was telling that the P type should be connected to -1.
What P type, N type, I don't know. It is my normal circuit diode. It is the anode. If the current will flow always in this direction. Okay.
No, sir, here VTB is connected to positive, so it's forward bias.
How? Obviously, diode should be forward bias always. Otherwise, it will not act as a short circuit. If the diode is in reverse
Yes.
bias, that means the N is connected to positive terminal. So then the diode will act as an open circuit. So as the circuit, I have to complete the circuit. That's why I have to place the in reverse condition. Now I am adding. You got it now? Now you got it now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's proceed. Zener डाउट बाद में कराएंगे, अभी नहीं कराएंगे. Now let's try to solve one problem. Okay, it is easy. Now here the voltage across the diode we will assume 0.7 volt. Otherwise the circuit will not work. Okay, so in this case it is my diode. Then I am placing one resistor. Then I am placing one voltage source and try to solve. And I am requesting to all my dear students, please solve by yourself. Okay, so it is my 8 volt. So here plus minus I have to use 0.7 volt across the diode. So it is plus minus VD. Okay, now in this case its amplitude is suppose 2.2 kilo ohm. Okay, I have to find VD, I have to find VR. VR means this is my VR. Let's don't give any sign right now. And ID. So it is my current ID. I have to find. Is it clear? Problem statement is clear. In a particular circuit where the diode is connected to a DC voltage source through a simple resistor, then the amplitude of resistor is 2.2 kilo ohm. It is very easy. Okay, now we have it is asked to find VD, VR and ID. Okay,
Done, sir.
okay, don't tell the answer, so
Okay,
you
sir.
just check. So you just check. Suppose let's find VD. VD is the voltage across the diode. as right now we are trying to solve the problem, we will not use 0 volt, so we will use 0.7 volt. So obviously VD should be 0.7 volt because it is positive terminal. So there will be one current. There will be one current. So in this way, so VD is known. Everybody got this VD? Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. रुको जरा. CS 199. CS 199. Siddharth, did you get this point?
Yes, sir.
Very good. हाँ, very good. नहीं अभी नहीं और कुछ नहीं, हमेशा मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा. Now let's try to find ID. So minus 8 volt, then it is plus VD, then here the current is flowing in this direction, so it is positive, it is negative, so plus VR equal to 0. Okay, so VR equal to 8 volt minus VD, so 8 volt minus 0.7 volt equal to 7.3 volt. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody
Yes, sir.
facing any issue? Anybody facing any issue? BT 815 Priyanka Maharana. BT 18815 Priyanka Maharana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. But there is no marking. Okay, so now we got VD, now we
Okay.
got VR. So now let's try to ID. ID means the current through the diode. So whatever the current is flowing through the diode, the same current is flowing through the resistance. Agree? So obviously ID will be nothing but VD by
Yes, sir.
R. VD by R. So what is, sorry, not VD, VR.
VR by R,
It
sir.
will be VR by R. Yes, it was my mistake. So now what is the amplitude of VR? So it is 7.3 voltage
3.
and R is 2.2 kilo ohm. And then I believe you can compute it and it will come nearly 3.32 milliampere. Okay, 3.3. Always give 2 decimal. Always use 2 decimal in engineering calculation. Always. Okay, in thumb rule. Don't go for third decimal. It is thumb rule. Always it is better to give up to 2 decimal. Okay, up to 2 decimal. Okay, so 3.3 may not be correct answer, but 3.32 or 3.31, that means 3.3 may be wrong, but 3.31 or 3.33, that can be correct. Are you getting my point? Always give 2 decimal. Okay, now let's go for next example.
Sir,
Bolo.
sir, in the last question, we cannot take the diode as short circuited, na, sir, because it is given that 0.7 volt across the
Now we
diode.
are trying to, now the question is you have to find the question. That means you have to, from the question it will be cleared. Now what is the question? If we assume VD equal to 0, based on the circuit I will get another result. But here they asked to compute something. Whatever the problem we solved, those are approximate calculation. I am telling always approximate
Yes, sir.
calculation. In approximate calculation we can always assume short circuit means 0 volt, open circuit means infinite. Okay, so in this case, but here we are asked to compute the current voltage specifically, so we cannot go for approximate, we have to go for more or less exact solution. Okay, so for
Okay,
the voltage across the diode can vary from 0.2 to 0.7 volt also. Okay, I told yes in the last class yesterday, but
Yes,
most
sir.
of the problem, the diode are made using silicon substrate, so that's why the voltage can vary from 0.6 volt to 0.7 volt. So you can use any one, either 0.6 volt, solve it, you will get result, or you can use 0.7 volt, solve it, you will get result. Answer may be different, okay, but don't bother about the numerical answer, just follow this step, you will get always good marks. Okay, now let's go
Okay,
to,
sir.
now go to next example. It is important. Okay, okay, so the voltage across the diode is VD, the voltage across the resistance is VR. I do not know which one is positive or negative terminal. Okay, 2.2 kilo ohm, and it is my plus minus 8 volt. Now find Now find I, okay, or we can say also ID, and then VD and VR. It is asked. Those who knows how to solve, please solve. Those who knows how to solve, please solve. I'm giving 2 minutes, then we will solve. I'm requesting to all my students
sir.
try to solve. Okay, very good, very
Yes,
good.
sir,
Just wait.
done.
Very good. Just wait.
We are done.
Good,
Done.
good, 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 good.
Done, sir.
Very good, good.
Done, sir, done.
बाप रे बाप, बहुत बहुत. Anyone is facing any issue how to solve the problem? Please बोलो, कोई issue नहीं है.
Done, sir.
Anyone is facing any issue? Good, good. Anyone is facing any issue? हाँ, किसी का नहीं हुआ है और is unable to find कोई है तो बोलो. कोई है? हाँ, सीरियल नंबर बोलो, कितना है?
One ही sir.
हाँ, वही बोल रहा हूँ, सीरियल नंबर बोलो ना, तुम्हारा सीरियल नंबर बोलो.
108.
ओके, तुम्हारा सत्यम, करेक्ट?
Yes sir.
हेलो, हाँ सत्यम, ठीक है. आई हैव गिवन यू मार्क्स, ओके, बिकॉज यू हैव आस्क्ड मी. हाँ, ठीक है. सो गुड, यू डू.
सर मेरा हो
told
गया,
good,
लिख
it is good.
लीजिए.
Don't worry.
But
Now you
it's
observe.
kind of unfair.
हाँ बोलो.
On already.
हाँ बोलो. I didn't get you.
Sir,
Now
it's
क्या
kind of unfair.
No, it is not unfair. The thing is that in a teaching, the
Sir, we got the answer.
No. I am telling the justification. Na? In the teaching, there should be always two-way communication. Okay, there will be always good student where there will be some weak students also. We should that as a teacher, I cannot leave my weak students. Okay, we have to always
Yes, sir,
encourage him
that's
or her. So that's why. Okay, don't
Sir,
bother about
that
marks.
I got, but
नहीं, ठीक है, कोई अनफेयर नहीं. इतना आदमी को कैसे मार्क्स दे? बहुत स्टूडेंट है. ठीक है. नाउ सत्यम, you try to follow. हाँ, now tell the positive. This is my positive terminal, it is my negative terminal. So it is my positive terminal, it is my negative terminal. So this negative terminal can appear over here. Approximately you observe. So this diode is which condition, on or off? Diode is on or off condition? So it is off. It is in off condition. Okay. So as it is off, so the diode has to be, this point is suppose A, this point is B. So I have to and this is my other terminal. So I have to leave it as open circuit, OC. So in this case, if I apply this concept, then my circuit will be like this. So it is my A, it is my B, then this one. So sorry, it is my VR. I do not know what is the terminal volt. That means positive or negative, I do not know. So it is positive, it is negative. It is 8 volt. So it is open circuit, I have written. Now, so sorry, I believe, yes. So now there will be no current flow in this way because as it is open. So no current. As there is no current flow, so ID will be 0. Agree? Agree, Siddharth? Agree?
yes.
Siddharth nahi, Satyam. So ID is 0. If ID is 0, voltage drop across the resistance, that means this one. Voltage drop means voltage VR means R into ID. So R into 0 means 0 volt. So voltage drop across resistance, that means VR is okay. Okay. Now this is my VD. It is my positive. It is, I do not know what terminal is this one. Suppose I am using this loop. VR is 0 kintu, VR is 0. So minus 8 volt, then plus VD, then plus VR equal to 0. And VR we just found it is 0. So minus 8 volt plus VD equal to 0. So VD equal to 8 volt. Is it clear? Everybody got this? VD equal to 0. Sorry, VD equal to
Yes,
8 volt.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Very good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Satyam, is it clear? Satyam, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to solve. Okay. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दे दिया तो दे दिया। Find ID, VR and VD. Okay. In this circuit, try to find VD, ID and VR.
Resistance value.
हो गया?
Done, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
very good, very
resistance
good.
value.
That's great.
It's a resistance.
Sir, what is the value of R?
Oh, resistance. Sorry, I forgot. Okay. Sorry, it was my mistake.
Sir, done, sir.
Good.
Done, sir.
Done.
Good. Excellent.
Done, sir.
Very good. Good. हो गया? किसने बोला क्या? Okay. Anybody facing issue to solve the problem? Anybody facing issue to solve the problem?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या इशू हो रहा है बोलो? बोलो.
Sir, finding ID.
ID. Okay, now just focus. What is the voltage here? What is the applied voltage? It is 0.5 volt. If the diode should be on condition, then it should be potential difference here should be, that means it should be 0.7 volt difference.
0.
But here it is less than 0.5 volt. That means less than 0.7 voltage. It is 0.5. So diode will not conduct, although it is in forward bias conditions. Okay, but still, as the applied voltage is very small, that means compared to cut-in voltage of the diode. Okay, so that's why diode will not conduct. If the diode is not conducting, so there will be no current flow. So ID will be 0. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, it is sir given that it is silicon or germanium there in the questions.
We don't bother ना. मैं हमेशा बोल रहा हूँ ना, फॉलो करो क्लास. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, इट इज नॉर्मली वाइडली यूज सिलिकॉन हमेशा. सिलिकॉन मींस बाली, सैंड. हाँ, सो हमेशा मिलता है. सो इट इज वाइडली अवेलेबल. So that's why if nothing is told, always by default assume it is silicon. By default, if it is germanium or specific other thing, it will be informed. It will be given in the question. Don't worry. So by default value you should take always.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? So as the diode will not conduct, so that's why ID will be 0. So current through the resistance will be 0. Current through the diode will be 0. So current through the resistance, that means IR has to be 0, because the same current will pass through this line. ID is 0, so IR equal to 0. Okay, so VR is nothing but R into IR, means R into 0 means 0 voltage. Okay, so the total voltage may come over here. So this one. Okay, so now this voltage will be what value? 0.5 voltage. So that's why VD equal to 0.5 voltage. Is
Sir.
it clear? Bolo.
Sir, since 0.5 volt is higher than 0 volt, so then means it is on condition.
Yes, it is in forward bias conditions. I agree, I told. But this diode will not conduct. You see, I have written diode will not conduct as it is 0.5 volt. Okay, but it is in forward bias condition. Okay, so as it is not conducting, so there will be no current. That's why ID is 0. If ID is 0, so IR 0. So voltage drop across the resistance is 0. So there is no voltage drop across the resistance. So total voltage will appear over here. So that's why voltage across diode should be 0.5 volt. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir,
जल्दी बोलो.
if the applied voltage is more than 0.7 volt, then the diode will conduct.
Then it will work. suppose it is 10 voltage, suppose it is 10.5 voltage. So then what will happen? Then 10.5 voltage, okay, minus 0.7 voltage by 1.2k, that will be ID. I will get some amount. Suppose it is a ampere. Suppose it is alpha ampere. Then VR will be 10.5 voltage minus 0.7 VR na. So voltage drop across the resistance. So VR will be ID into 1.2k. So I will get another, suppose beta voltage. So in this way we can easily compute. But it should be applied voltage should be greater than 0.7 volt. Then only it is possible. Is it clear right now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now thoda jaldi karna, because now we will solve one very interesting problem. Very interesting problem. Okay. So we do not have time. So only 10 minute baki hai. If nothing told, always use silicon diode. Nothing told. So it is 20 volt plus minus. Suppose it is I2. So it will be I2. This resistance is 5.6k. It is my diode D1. It is my diode D2. So the current through the D2 is ID2. Okay. And it is 3.3 kilo ohm. And the current I1, here it is I1. The question is find I1, I2 and ID2. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just try to find, and those who knows how to solve, just solve by themselves. And as we do not have time, ठीक है, 1 मिनट दे देता हूं, 1 मिनट के बाद आई विल सॉल्व. ओके, यही वाला लास्ट प्रॉब्लम कराएंगे. थोड़ा जल्दी करो, हाँ, because it is little bit lengthy compared to others example.
sir.
Okay, excellent. Roll number बोलो, serial number बोलो, serial number.
Sir, 21, sir.
21. Satyajit Jain, this is your second class performance. Okay,
कर लिया सर.
नहीं और नहीं मिलेगा, एक को और कितना देंगे? चाहिए क्या, मार्क्स चाहिए क्या? हेलो,
नो सर.
हाँ ठीक है, बोलो सीरियल नंबर बोलो, कितना मार्क्स मिला है देखने दो मुझे. सीरियल नंबर बोलो. हाँ भूल गए?
96 सर. 96 सर.
96. अरे भाई, और 4 चौका मार दे तो सेंचुरी हो जाता भाई. 96 मींस अशोक कुमार साइनी. अग्री?
यस सर. यस सर.
दिस इज योर सेकंड क्लास परफॉर्मेंस. हाँ ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर.
गुड. ओके, नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व. लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व बिकॉज़ वी डू नॉट हैव टाइम. नहीं और नहीं देंगे, नहीं और नहीं देंगे, एक को देना चाहिए था.
सर मेरे को सर अभी तक 0 मार्क्स मिला है.
बोलो सीरियल नंबर बोलो.
सर 1 2 सीरियल नंबर 71.
Anuj, your name is Anuj.
Yes.
Agree? हाँ, so this is your first
Yes.
class performance. हाँ ठीक है,
Yes.
ठीक है. Now let's try to solve. Okay, now let's try to solve. Now if the diode, now you see it is 20 voltage. So there will be the current will flow in this direction, and there will also one current will flow in this direction, and this current will add in this way. Agree? As it is very high volt,
Yes, sir.
20 voltage, so the current will flow in this way. So I can assume the voltage drop across diode 2, that means across D2, it should be 0.7 volt. So it is nothing but this voltage should be 0.7 volt. Agree? Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so this voltage is 0.7 volt. So I1 equal to 0.7 volt divided by 3.3 kilo ohm. That means what value I will get? 0.212 milliampere. Okay. So in this way we got I1. Okay. Now let's try. Now if we apply KVL, okay. So in this, here we are encountering minus 20 volt, so minus 20. Then here it is a diode, so plus 0.77 volt. Okay. Then here it is positive, so again plus 7 volt, 0.7 volt. Then there it is positive, negative, so here it is plus VR. Okay, I am assuming this voltage is VR, so that is 0. So from this I can compute VR equal to 20 minus 0.7 minus 0.7, so 20 minus 1.4, so 18.6 volt. Is it clear? VR is clear. So I2 equal to VR by 5.6 kilo ohm.
Sir, 3.32 milliampere.
देख थोड़ा रुको, मुझे करने दो, मुझे पता नहीं. Let me write 0.6 kilo ohm. So that means 18.6 by 5.6 into 10 to the power 3. Kilo means 3. So from this कितना बोला तुमने? 3.32 milliampere. Okay. So as per the question, I2 is known. I1 is known. I have to find ID2. Now I2 equal to ID2 plus I1. So from this I can write ID2 equal to I2 minus I1. So 3.32 milliampere minus 0.212 milliampere. So I will get approximately 1 this one milliampere, approximately up to 2 decimal. Is it clear for all? Is it clear for all student? Is it clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Anybody facing issue?
Sir,
Bolo.
across diode 1 what should be the potential, sir? It should
Across
be
the diode, it will
0.7.
be, yes, 0.7 always, because we are assuming in real world problem na. For approximate analysis, suppose approximate analysis means I have to plot one kind of graph. Okay, I have to plot this kind of graph as shown over here. Then you can assume 0 volt, because we are doing approximate analysis. But here we are not doing approximate analysis, so that's why. So that's why we have to assume it should be 0.7 volt. So इसलिए.
Okay,
Is it clear right now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
बोलो.
sir.
Sir, as in these questions we are using KVL. But sir, in +2 we also learnt a method called nodal analysis. Sir, can we apply that
Yes,
in the
you can
exams?
apply. Yes, you can apply the nodal analysis. There is no issue. You can apply.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But the thing is that you can apply any one method. Finally, you have to find this thing: I1, I2, ID2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So your answer should be matched. Okay. It doesn't matter in which procedure you are using.
Okay, sir.
So is it clear? Is it clear to all? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so let's stop this class. और टाइम है क्या? क्लास करोगे क्या? 5 मिनट? नहीं, दूसरा क्लास है ना तुम लोगों का?
No, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have
Biology
biology
class.
ठीक है. दूसरा
Yes,
क्लास
sir.
है.
We have another class.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Biology.
हाँ, ठीक है. रुको भाई, रुको. Let's stop recording.